As a result of the singular makeup of lemons, even a small amount of lemon juice can have a variety of impacts on the body. A comprehensive summary is as follows. 1. An increase in vitamin C. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that improves the body's immune system, contributes to the creation of collagen, and facilitates the absorption of iron. In spite of the fact that lemons are naturally acidic, they have the ability to bring about an alkalizing impact on the body. The pH levels of the body may become more balanced as a result of this. 3. As a digestive aid, lemon juice has the ability to increase the formation of digestive juices in the stomach, which in turn promotes improved digestion. It is also possible that it has a modest laxative effect. 4. Hydration. A drink that is both refreshing and hydrating can be made by combining an equal amount of water and lemon juice. The maintenance of proper hydration is necessary for a variety of body functions. 5. Oral health. The acidity found in lemon juice may have antibacterial characteristics, which could contribute to improved oral health by reducing the amount of bacteria that are present in the mouth. On the other hand, it is essential to keep in mind that excessive consumption might cause enamel erosion on the teeth. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a role in the functioning of the heart, neuron function, and muscle contractions. Lemons contain potassium, which is an essential mineral. 7. Weight control. There is a school of thought that suggests that the combination of lemon and water may be beneficial to weight control. This is because it is believed to promote a feeling of fullness and encourage metabolism. On the other hand, additional research is required to validate these assertions. In terms of skin health, the vitamin C found in lemon juice is advantageous for the skin since it helps to promote the production of collagen and possesses antioxidant characteristics that may assist in shielding the skin from the damage that is produced by free radicals. Anti-inflammatory potential. The antioxidants included in lemon juice have the potential to have anti-inflammatory effects, which could be useful for the health of the body as a whole. 10. Caution with certain conditions. People who suffer from gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, or acid reflux should exercise caution while consuming citrus fruits, particularly lemons, because the acidity of these fruits may make their symptoms worse. In light of the fact that different people have different reactions to lemon juice, it is vital to keep in mind that the consumption of lemon juice should be done so in moderation. In addition, it is recommended that you seek the advice of a healthcare practitioner, particularly if you have certain health concerns or problems.